would come if we weren't on the block list. We want to come so bad, but
we had a whole thing planned.
Yeah.
But
we're ready to go see you and Wong and everybody from the AC group.
Mainly Wong. You just have to be there. Just kidding.
Now, we were excited to go out there. We actually had talked to her like 3 days before we got on the ban list. That's what happened to us when we were supposed to go to Tampa, and then they had banned Florida, so we can go. Oh, there we go. That's big. There we go. Yes. Oh my God. Yeah, but you don't want it up top there. Well, we got one, but still, that's not. Daytona Jacobson, $2 super chat. Do some crazy options on different stocks for a video. Like I said, I only play Apple. Very consistent. Wow, look at that. Just throwing the bubbles all the way up top there.
Yeah.
Hold on. You guys can see this. Alright, that's better. Some bubbles at the bottom. There we go. That's good. That's big. That's it. 166 bucks. A little something. All right, come on.
Hey guys, sign up for Patreon. Do not message me. I can't do anything for you. Just follow the instructions and a mod will add you. They do it as fast as they can. Sometimes it's 30 seconds, sometimes it's 3 minutes, 10 minutes. They verify everybody, so make sure.
I haven't played this game in a while yet. That's right after this, guys, in 30 minutes, the world's largest group pool in history. Locked over? Oh, maybe it's up.
Maybe it's not working. Is it 7:30 now? 7:37?
Yeah, right there. Alright, gonna stuff the old turkey here. Joe? Switch cards. We exhausted that Tito finally. Alright, come on, bonus. Oh, there we go, the big one. Come on. Oh, a bunch of little ones, I guess. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Also, click that gray bell so you get notifications when we go live. This is the one that gave us that big bonus last time. Let's see.
That's a good rate.
This one was crazy because we had all 4 of them for 2 spins in a row. Oh, yeah, that bonus, yeah. Oh, there we go. That's a good start. All right. All right, good. The middle's gone wild. There we go. Michael Walker, $10 super chat. I'm 42. I feel lucky casino's closed. Forgot about your casino site. I'm going to load it up and give it a spin for my birthday. And thanks for the live play on and around my B-Day. Hashtag Raja's High Rollers. You're welcome and happy birthday, Michael. Yes. Oh, my God. This is big. All 3 are going to go wild, guys, for this next spin. So now we just got to hope for something good over here. Front 2 columns don't matter. Tiger. Ah. Oh. All right, well, we got 5 of a kind here. That's a good. Almost $600. 550, 750. That free games on this. Come on, coins. Gonna get some coins right here. Uh-oh. That wasn't very good. Not 1 wild. Alright. It's the reverse of Ocean Magic. Oh, there he goes. He's coming. Do something big. Oh, what's up, Bill? There we go.
Oh, nice.
That's it. $200 only? All that noise for nothing. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yo, this is going to be good. Bonus, too. Oh, my God. With the red things? Oh, all right. That's it? I thought oh, because that red dragon up there. Yeah, I thought the red dragon is all. And now we get all the red dragons up there. Last spin on this one. Alright.
Have to sign up in the next 5 minutes to be guaranteed to be approved.
The volume maxed out. 8.2% better chance to hit a jackpot. Come on! Ah, orb's blocking us. There. Get a nice little bonus here. Oh. There we go. We got the free game bonus time. Let's get some multipliers. Frank, $2 from chat. Does Cosmo tell you the actual hold on their slots? Well, they personally don't, but I also personally have never asked. Oh, that's huge. That's big. 480 right there. Unfortunately, it's a 10. 540 on that one. 2 times 2. Better symbols would have been massive. That's big. There we go. Retrigger. And a retrigger. Two more. Come on. 6 orbs. Do it. All right, another 60 bucks. All right, come on, something big. Wow. All right, $7.98. I thought this was gonna be massive.
The volume up?
Yep. Always got the volume out. You managed an 8.2% better chance to the jackpot. Jose's here. Where are those Jose emojis, guys? All my YouTube sponsors, those Jose emojis. Ooh, there we go. Some wilds. Homie. Man, this is getting nerve-wracking thinking about $1,000 spins coming up here. Man, I just need one bonus. Crazy. Huh? What? Oh, what you?
The money means everything. I have to watch anymore. 3-1 favorite to win. And now 7-1 favorite to win. 7-1 Yeah. That's good. The results aren't even in yet, but the money's all moving the other way now.
Really?
So let's just follow that. It's over.
Elvis, $5 super chat. Just join Patreon. Good luck, Raja. Hashtag handpays incoming. Dragon Cash is tonight. Come on. Genghis Khan. Is that major?
Oh, you see Rick said? You for $1,100 on a $5 bet over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dime D not though, but yeah.
Yeah. Well, I saw him. I didn't see him. It's hit.
So nice little hit.
Yeah.
$1,000. I guess. You're the Dragon Link Cash Whisperer.
All right, come on. Bonus time. Oh,
Look at
5 of them. Wait, what?
Look at the map.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but it does this based on electorials.
Huh?
He still does.
We're not going to make it a 7-1 favorite?
Yeah.
Live betting, right?
Come on.
No, I'm not betting. No, I know a guy that actually bet fighting.
It's funny.
I like the odds, 700. Watch them.
Keith, $2 lucky super chat. Thank you, Keith. All right, come on, machine. Need one bonus. Some orbs. We got one bonus, I guess. The other one, but we need the orbs.
Real quick, I want to give a shout out to Tracy D. You're one of my favorite mods. Thank you for going through all the new members today and getting them added in. Thank you so much, Tracy.
We love you, Tracy.
We love all our mods. We got the best mods in the business, the entire mod squad. But Tracy D's coming to join us next month out here for the 1,000,000-point slot tournament.
We got Cheryl coming, Tyler, Josh, Leslie from the Mod Squad. Come on, what? Oh, I'll be right here in the seat.
Come on! It's the final minutes before the big spin.
Are you nervous?
I am. Nervous. I'm in for at least 25,000 of it, so a little nervous. Katya Winyard, $5 lucky super chat. Thank you, Kat. Oh, I said that right. Yeah, no, I get nervous especially when other people's money's on the line. I hate losing.
Oh yeah.
I get so relieved, like when we hit a jackpot, like in Atlantic City, when we hit right off the get-go, I was like, it's a relief.
Yeah. No, we'll get a bonus here.
But the more spins, the better your odds. Because you're more, unless if we hit right away something huge, maybe we'll stop. No.
Yeah.
But yeah, the more spins you have, the better your odds. Oh, look at that thing. I don't. All right. 65 and $75,000. It looks like. And then we'll try and do in December when we're out here. We'll try and do one for maybe like 100,000. The whole thing about records is you got to break them. Records are meant to be broken.
You're the record breaker.
Also, if you guys are ever wondering what my rooms here at the Cosmo look like, or some of the hotels, we've been doing casino room tours here. So check out the casino room tour. We did one earlier today of the suite. We have a nice 2-bedroom suite that me and Brian are staying in here. You'll see his bubble bath where all the rubber ducks play. Thank you to the Cosmo for allowing us to film and everything. It's a beautiful casino here on the Las Vegas Strip. They also have a lot of their machines now are the fast pay, which is terrific. Saves time and also less for dealing with staff and stuff during COVID, so it makes it easier. The paperless. One more.
Something big. A little warm up before the $1,000 spin.
And big shout out to everybody on Raja Free Play tonight who won. And then during our live Patreon, we're going to be giving away 5 lucky Patreon members $1,000 on Raja Free Play.
1,000 each. Yeah.
1,000 each for them. And either tomorrow or the next day, because we're traveling tomorrow, we'll do the giveaway, $10 giveaway. Maybe we'll go live doing some like blackjack or something on the Facebook for that. Big giveaway on that for Raja Free Play. Come on, all right. We're down to the wire here. All right, Miracle. Wait, I thought we had it there for a second. It looked like it. All right.
Come on, fireworks.
Let's do it. Max it out. Come on, firework time. Thank you guys all for joining us tonight for our Tuesday night live play. Possibly we could have some more live play this week. So make sure you click that gray bell and stay notified.
That was an amazing hit on
Yeah. I mean, we put about $500 into it, I think, or $400, I don't know, somewhere there. But still, you come out okay. Come on! Chris Patch, $5 super chat. Maybe one day do a fast tap only live event. 50 machines in 1 hour. That was fun.
Come on.
Oh, come on, Dynamite.
What's up, T? How are you, Scott?
Good. What's going on?
Hey, what's up?
Not much. What's going
You
on?
guys hitting over here?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Over here, bro.
Oh, yeah, good luck tonight.
Nah, that's good. That's good. Later.
All right, see you guys. Sam, $5 super chat. Big bucks, Raja. Ah, thank you, Sam. All right, come on. This thing will hit. I can feel it. So all we need is one bonus. Marjorie Vargas, $1 lucky super chat from the birthday girl. Everybody wish Marjorie a happy birthday in chat. Poets Corner, $2 super chat. And as Scott says, what do you guys think? I think we were one shy. One bomb, what bomb? Dynamite shy there, Poet. That's what I think. Come on. All right, should we do another trivia question, T?
Yeah.
For $100 in Raja free play. Also, guys, tonight on the Big Jackpot slot app, I forgot to tell you guys, the poker tables are now live on the Big Jackpot slot app. So if you guys want to play poker with other players all over the universe on the Big Jackpot slot app, poker is now live.
All right, ready for the question?
Yep.
Who makes this game? Merlin Mystical Multipliers is made by who?
Merlin Mystical Multipliers on Raja Free Play. Who makes the game? Who makes it? Everybody's logging in, looking right now.
Oh, there's already some answers.
Oh, we got some. Not the game where I'm playing right now. The game and the question that we asked.
Oh, come on. Wakey, wakey, machine. Come on here.
One more. Ah, so close. Come on. Okay. Kale, $5 super chat. Hey, Scott and boys. Got the bug to play slots today and hit 8 jackpots. 6 on Firelink and 2 on Mighty Cash. Am I the new king of slots? Sounds like you had a really lucky day. Congratulations on all your luck. There we go, something, and welcome. JL Poo, our newest YouTube sponsor, welcome. Come on, one frickin' bonus here.
Oh, wakey, wakey.
Ah, frickin' Dynamite keeps blocking us.
Man, that 14,000.
This thing's ready, we just need some Dynamite. Man, so close.
Oh, come on.
Oh my God. What's wrong with this machine? Susan, $5 super chat, sending lots of luck from Sydney, Raja. Thank you, Susan. You know what, T? Let's do another question.
Sanders West says that somebody's pick.
All right, what is our next trivia question? Osmond, $10 super chat. Let's go, Raja. Mucho dinero. I know, this machine's sucking up the mucho dinero.
All right, ready for another question?
I'm ready.
What is the name of the game that is related to football?
What is the name of the game that is related to football? Good, Nathan.
Hey, do you want to give us a shout out?
Come on! God, this machine is god awful. Who makes this thing? Oh my God! Miracle! Finally! Alright guys, come on, this machine. We're gonna need to feel a lot of energy here. Where are those hashtag Rajas and thumbs up for good fortune? Let's do it. It's not like Buffalo that gives you some free games. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Needed that.
Nice. Ooh, that's a good hit.
Needed that, yeah. This thing's sucking us dry. Finally, something. Alright. Just takes one. Man, if that would have been a nugget there, it would have been massive because we would have gone this way too.
Yeah. That would have been almost like a hamburger right there.
What's dynamite? 3 dynamite. Ah, so close. Oh, there we go. All right, a little something more. Queens.
All right, hand pay time. Big
do
hand
it.
pay.
There we go.
All right,
Donkeys.
very nice. This is almost
Donkeys. BOD straight across the line. And we got a hand pay, T.
Yeah, I know. Look, it is.
There, oh, now come on, dynamite now.
Yeah. Full screen of those thingies.
Come on, one more good one here. Yes, Farmer Joe.
Come on.
Enrique the Miner. All right, final spin.
All right, count. Yes, yes.
All right, donkeys. All right, a little something. All right, 1,460 bucks. Boom, boom, boom. And that's why you always max out the volume. On the old Snapchat. That's a Snapchat worthy one. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, baby. While we're waiting, we'll do a little piggy. Slot tip number 1. Always make sure the volume is maxed out. Sometimes they get sneaky and they try and unmax the volume once they pay you.
First got here, we had seen this first hand pay, and then we went downstairs just to see kind of...
Derek, $5 super chat. Raja, do you know if Proposition passed Colorado? Yes, for unlimited gambling, it did pass. So Colorado will have unlimited gambling.
Bonsai, $4 super chat.
Oh, look at that. Come on, 3 dynamite. Let's hit this thing for 3 dynamite.
Yeah, you guys are now average.
Come on, dynamite.
Jason, $10 super chat. Good luck tonight, guys. Thanks for the entertainment.
Oh, yes.
Hey, we did it. Max bet $25 a dynamite. Oh my God. You guys ready for this? Come on, where are those hashtag Rajas and thumbs up for good fortune? All right, there we go. One more. won't be very much. Alright, little something. 350, I'll take it. That's something. At least we got the bonus. Alright.
Oh, come on.
Oh man, I thought we had it again. Alright. Collect my money on this one. Everybody's